Yeah. So yeah, I definitely don't mind telling you the amounts. It is at 70,000 OTE at the moment. And I've been in the field working at this is my third month. So coming up probably in the next 2 to 3 months, I should be looking to get a promotion. We're in the talks and my one-on-ones and things like that to get that done. So you already know with promotions comes more money. Anywho, as far as who I work with, I normally just tell people if you want to know where I work, just go to my LinkedIn. The reason I say that is because hey, you never know. I don't want to date the video. You know, if you're watching this 2 years from now, I can't say that I'm still there or not. I don't know. So that being said, if you go to the LinkedIn, you'll be able to see where I'm at now. But as far as the space that I'm in, I'm actually in real estate property management. So that's the software that I deal with, property management software. And the biggest thing about that, I picked that because ultimately, you know, when you're making more money and you're making a lot of money, you gotta have a place to put it. I always wanted to have real estate. I always wanted to put it in real estate. So what better place to be than to working for a real estate company that's what they deal with. Every day I'm talking to people who own millions and millions of dollars in real estate, you know, $50 million a year, and they have it. And I'm talking to these people, learning how they do what they do, to try and see if there's a possibility that we can help, but ultimately it's helping me as well because now I can get what I learned and use it in my space, you know, for my portfolio. So that's another thing as well. You know, you can literally work in any space you want. There's a lot of spaces in tech, and you don't have to just stick to just some random thing. You can be very strategic and specific with where you choose to go after you know go through the course or whatever. But um, as far as the difference between the tech company I work at now and just the corporate America company that I worked at before, it's night and day. And what's crazy is I used to think that that corporate America job was day, and it was for corporate America. It's one of the top Fortune 500 companies, you know, in places all over the world as far as where they are and operate. But it is just not the same. The tech industry, the way they set up your work life balance type of thing, it kind of blends both, right? So I spoke about the video games that my cousin played earlier. They have the PlayStation 5 in the office. You know, there it's multiple floors. It's a pool table, the fitness center, the showers after you go and do the fitness center, which are separate from the regular bathrooms. All the drinks you can drink in a day or two, you can have them for free. You know, everything from waters to orange juice. Um, but oh, kombucha on tap if that's something that you're into. Cold brew coffee, everything is there, and it's all free at my job. As far as the workspaces, they're all modern. Everything is top of the line. We use Macs and we use Apple products, which they give to you. You have the home office and the office at the job. Not to mention, you know, there are other jobs that are fully remote. Some are hybrid. Some are all at the office. I actually am in a hybrid role. So I go in the office 2 days a week, and then 3 days I'm at home. Um, it's just really different. You know, if you're at a company that the home headquarters is in a different state, they'll fly you out when you need to go out there, and take care of everything for you. It's just not the same. Uh, you know, we had coffee at the corporate America job. We had that. We had the water, and we did have sodas and drinks and things, but you had to pay. You had to pay. Here it's no cost, and just everything else as far as the snacks and all of that, the food they cater it every Wednesday because they do want us to be in the office that day. Everybody they cater food for us every Wednesday, so I don't have to worry about bringing lunch that day or going out to get it. It's gonna be there, and it's gonna be at some good restaurant, around the area that they cater in for us. So it's just a different mentality. It's a different vibe, and for me, it's right up my alley. I love
So
it.
we can run this race together.